Turmeric has long been used as a spice that adds flavor, color, and aroma to dishes in Southern Asia. Thanks to its medicinal properties, it also occupies pride of place in Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine. Turmeric essential oil is obtained through steam distillation of the rhizome and has compounds like R-turmerone, alpha-turmerone, and beta-turmerone which boost your health in many ways. 1. Can protect the liver. Thanks to R-turmerone and R-curcumin, turmeric oil has shown antioxidant activity in vitro studies. It can scavenge free radicals and reduce cell damage. In an animal study, mice were given turmeric essential oil for 1 month. They showed increased levels of antioxidants and antioxidant enzymes in the blood and the liver, which could enhance the detoxification of cancer-causing compounds. In another study, rats pre-treated with turmeric extract had less liver damage due to methotrexate, a drug used in chemotherapy and to treat autoimmune conditions. 2. Reduces the risk of cancer. That's right, turmeric oil may be able to fight the big C. Studies have found that people with a condition known as oral submucous fibrosis showed fewer signs of developing cancer when they took turmeric oil. Oral submucous fibrosis is characterized by thickening and scarring, or fibrosis, of mucous membranes in the mouth. This condition also has a high chance of developing into cancer. 3. Treat epilepsy. Turmeric oil and its sesquiterpenoids have anticonvulsant properties. Animal studies show that R-turmerone can modulate the expression patterns of 2 genes related to seizures. While it might still be too early to replace anticonvulsants and anti-epileptic drugs with turmeric oil, early research indicates this oil could offer a ray of hope to people with epilepsy. 4. Arthritis. Studies even show that it can inhibit joint inflammation. Aromatherapy experts also suggest that its anti-inflammatory properties make it ideal for an anti-arthritic massage. So getting a nice massage with turmeric essential oil may bring you relief if you have arthritis. 5. Cough and asthma. Steam inhalations are generally useful for loosening mucus and clearing blocked airways. Want to amp up the power of your stem inhalation? Add a few drops of turmeric oil to it. Studies have found that inhaling the vapor of turmeric oil can remove sputum, reduce coughing, and ease asthma symptoms.